1. Installing Python. Open browser and search for Python. Download and install. All links will be in the description. Make sure to check both options. Installing Logo Patcher. Search for Switch Logo Patcher and download the zip file. 3. Changing Switch Boot Logo. Extract the zip file and open the folder. You only need the Python file. Make a folder called Logo. Drag and drop the image, and rename the image to the same name as the folder you created. Right-click and open Terminal. Type pip install ips.py and press Enter. Then type pip install pillow and press Enter. Now type Python gen_patches .py logo.png and press Enter. Copy the folder. Insert your switch into the PC. Go to Atmosphere, then XFs, Patches. Paste the logo folder. 4. Reboot the switch and enter emmumc.